Hi, we go for another diagram, reflection at the plane surface, and this laws of reflection can be explained with the help of this diagram. Now, for this purpose, in the half page, in the middle, at the bottom of half page, draw one horizontal line, full line from this end to this end. This will be the XY reflecting surface. So to show the reflection, we have to draw some positions of parallel line. This will give the reflecting surface. Now put the ruler on left side, inclined near about 20 degree. You should take more inclination. If the inclination is more, then this will be this angle will increase, then the diagram will make complicated. So to make the simplicity of the diagram adjustable afterward, so the ruler should be kept in the middle of the middle, intersecting XY and at about 20 degrees inclination. 20 degrees inclination. Then draw two lines, one from XY reflecting surface and another from reflecting surface parallel to this on both sides of the tube here. So the rays advancing on this side, this is P and this is Q point, and where it interacts at this is A, and this is the point called C here. Now these are the incident rays. Now get the reflected rays. Follow here. This is one of the simple techniques. You have to rotate the ruler such that this end, one end of the ruler must touch A, another end of the ruler must touch C. So this will happen only at particular position. Now from this we have to adjust properly. From this you have to draw two lines. So this is R and this is S. These are giving reflected rays there. Directly you can get here. Then we have to draw perpendicular from A. Therefore adjust the line here and bring up to A and draw here. This will be the AB advancing surface. At the similarly C, we have to draw perpendicular lines adjacent here to CR. So this will give point D. Then draw perpendiculars. So this is AM and this is CN. Then take radius equal to AD. And draw a curve AD. So this will CD represent tangent to the circle here. This is reflecting surface, and this will be angle of incidence. Angle PAM is angle of incidence, and NCR will be the angle of reflection. Here also angle of reflection is there. Angle of incident, angle of reflection. From this diagram we can prove the laws of reflection successfully. So this completed diagram made simple with this technique.